Hi, I'm Angel with FleeceFun.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make this cute Halloween treat bag. I love that it's reusable year after year, it folds down so it's easy to store, and it's just very cute and classic and perfect for everybody, honestly, because it comes in two sizes. It comes in child and adult if you need your own trick-or-treat bag. Personally, I just steal from my kids if I need a treat. In any case, for this project you will need the following. You will need orange fleece, 2/3 of a yard for the large size and 1/2 a yard for the small size. Small scraps of black fleece or felt for the pumpkin applique. Nylon webbing, 2 yards for the large size and 1 yard for the small size. And a small piece of stiff cardboard for the bottom, hot glue, glue stick, and of course sewing essentials, pins, scissors, sewing machine, you know, that sort of thing. All right, once you have all those items, it's time to start sewing. Step 1, cut out the elements to the trick-or-treat bag. Cut out 2 of the trick-or-treat bag pieces and 1 set of the pumpkin or jack-o'-lantern face. Cut 2 if you want the face on each side of the bag. You'll also need a rectangle of cardboard, either 14.5 by 7 inches or 9 by 4 inches for the small size, as well as a scrap of the orange fleece large enough to cover it. All right, once you have all those items, it's time to start sewing. Step 2, add the jack-o'-lantern face. I find it helpful to cut out the face on the pattern piece and use it as a template when placing the face pieces. If you want to applique the face onto the bag, use a glue stick to glue the pumpkin pieces in place temporarily, or you can use pins and sew on. You can either zigzag stitch around the edge or use a straight stitch. After trying both, I found I preferred the straight stitch. Now, you do have the option, if you want to, you can just glue those pieces on using fabric glue or even hot glue. If you're not planning on washing it, or if you're just trying to hurry up and finish your project, that is a viable option. I just think it looks a little nicer sewn on, but totally up to you. Step 3, sew the sides and bottom of the Halloween trick-or-treat bag. All seams on the bag are 1/2 inch. With right sides together, sew the 2 sides and the bottom of your Halloween treat bag. All right, looks good. Next step. Step 4, sew the corners. Fold the corners so the side seam matches up with the bottom seam. With right sides together, sew the corner shut. All right, now we just have to add the handles. Next step, finish the top of the pumpkin tote. To finish the top of the bag, fold over the top edge to the wrong side by 1 inch and stitch into place. Okay, you're going to want to make sure that you finish off those handles so they don't fray, and a good way to do that is just a lighter or a match to the edge of it. But be careful. Okay. Add the straps. Cut 2 lengths of the webbing for the straps, 18 inches for small, 36 for large. Melt the ends with the lighter so they don't fray. Place the ends on the inside of the top hem, matching up with the markings printed on the pattern. Stitch in place with the box and an X so it is secure on each side. Okay, looks good. Let's move on. Finally, place the bottom in the bag. Make the bottom sturdy for lots of candy. Place your cardboard onto the scrap of fleece. Wrap around the fleece to the wrong side and glue into place with a hot glue gun. Trim away any excess. Then place it in the bottom. Now your bag is ready for candy. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome videos just like this one. And that's it. You have this really cute Halloween trick-or-treat bag that you can use year after year that is very classic And I love the fact that it comes in 2 different sizes. So if you've got a smaller kid, because how much candy do you really need? Okay, don't answer that one. But in any case, and that free pattern is available on my website along with a bunch of other costume patterns and other fun Halloween ideas. Be sure to check that out. I have links below so you can see that. Also, do me a favor and give me a thumbs up for my hard work here and subscribe to this channel for more great tutorials just like this one. So, okay, be honest. Do you snitch other people's candy at Halloween? I won't tell. Just let me know in the comments below.